Let's go watermelon.
I just think it is gone now.
Is it gone? Is it gone? Oh shit! Dang, that was me. It's gone! Yay! Celebrate!
Yay.
Do the kangaroo.
It's not